Good morning.
Good morning, Malcolm. We're going to write your name, okay?
Yes.
You write now. Here. Just sa baba. Okay, gandahan mo ha. We will show that to your papa. And L. Very good. And what else? C. And then letter O. Then L. M. Letter M. Very good. Or letter B. As in Brent. Letter B. Letter B. Letter B. Sobrang big naman. O, E. R. R pala, R. R. E. N. T. Okay, space, letter G. Very good na baby ko ah. Okay. Period.
Period.
Tuldok.
Period.
Yeah, and then letter R.
Space.
Yes, space, R. As in, Roblox.
Yes.
Your favorite.
What
Next. Okay, ang ganda.
Matitipay.
Okay, letter E. Then, letter Y. One muna. Y. 1, 2.
3.
Okay, and then letter E. Letter S. Last one is letter S. Ang lit naman na S mo.
Maganda.
So cute. Okay.
Parang baby yan
Okay,
eh.
show it na.
Patita.
Congratulations! I love you, baby ko.
Love you.